Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you in online classes, computer class. Ninth class, we are reading chapter 2nd, Introduction to Word Processor. And I already told you, word processor means whenever we work on any word in any software, it will become word processor. And MS Word is the popular name of a word processor, and we will discuss about it. Now, I will tell you about ribbon. In last class we read about ribbon. It is in the top on the MS Word. Now MS Word 2000 tabs and groups. On this we have some types of tabs: home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review and view. Now what is the in the home tab? Clip art, font, paragraph, styles and editing. In what is in the insert tab? Pages, table, illustrations, clip arts, header, footers, page layout, theme, page setup, page background, paragraph and arrangement. References is used for whenever you are going to conduct anything with your main data, it will become as a references. Table of content, footnotes, citations and biography, captions. Mailing, how to mail to different type of document. Create, start mail merge, write and insert field, preview results, review. In review we have proofreading, languages, spelling and grammar checker. View, document view, show zoom, windows and macros. In document view we will see how our page look like. Now group in home tabs: clipboard, font, paragraph, style and editing. Clipboard, when we are going to copy and cut anything, it will save the data on clipboard. If you want to paste it, you can use it. Font, if you want to go for editing any font style, formatting any font style, we will work through the font. Paragraph, you are going for bulleted numbers, paragraph indentation, paragraph spacing, we will discuss in this paragraph. Styles, if you are going to give them style to our document, work from the style. Editing, through this we can edit our text and our document. Work area, this is the blank area in the document window where we can type, edit and format the text, mean white space of our window. Rulers, it is in the top side, means right side and bottom sides. We have two types of rulers. In some MS words it will come in the right side and bottom sides. This is known as horizontal and vertical. In our MS Word we have in the top and right side. If we want to set our document from how much space we will leave in the top and in the bottom, we give through the right side rulers. If we want to give them how much space we want to leave in the right side, in the left side of the page, we use top side ruler. Scroll bar, it is in the right side and in the bottom side. Status bar, it is in the bottom in the MS Word. It will show how many pages we have write and how many number of pages we have in our file. View buttons, through this view button we can easily see our document. Like print layout, if you are going to give them our print, we can see how our document look like after printing. Full screen reading, we can use it for if you want to read full screen on MS Word. Web layout, this view enables us to see our document as it would appear in a browser such as Internet Explorer, means after uploading how our page look like on Internet Explorer or on internet. Outline, it display our document in an outline view. We can move the text up and down expand and collapse the label or change the heading label. We can make it in outline view. Draft means we can save it. It displays document as a continuous text scroll where page breaks are denoted by dashed line. In this, if our page is break from anywhere, we can save it through the dashed line. We can easily identify where is our next paragraph. Zoom slider is used for giving zoom to our document. We can see it in zoom way, we can see it in normal way. If you want to increase it, you can click on the plus sign, and if you want to decrease it, click on the minus sign. Next is cursor and mouse pointer. Cursor and mouse pointer is used to page up and page down. In this, we have, whenever we are working on the document, there is a cursor also blinking on our document. It is for writing, and there is so many things available in our keyboard. There are 4 arrows keys, left, right, up and down on the keyboard. It is used for, if we are pressing your up key, then we are going on the up side. If you are press down key, then we are going on the down side. Control home key, it moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. Control plus home key, the combination of key move the user to cursor to the beginning of the document, and it will come into the last. Control plus end key, this combination move to the cursor to the end of the document. Page up key, it scroll up one page. Whenever you click on it, it will scroll up. Page down, it will down. Next thing is mouse pointer. It will also useful in MS Word. If you want to edit your word, then you can click it through the mouse. After that, our cursor blinking on this side, then you can cut it, you can edit it, you can format it. Next class we will read tomorrow. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.